Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I have a little parcel that's arrived. Not that little, but not as big as I thought it was going to be. So whether it's a different parcel or whether they've sent the wrong one, I don't know. It's very well taped. So let's have a little look, see if we can get in it without stabbing myself. Right, use the wall. I think this is, oh heavens, what I'm expecting because of the name of the company. I don't really like using a knife. I should be like, I shouldn't be allowed near sharp objects. Wow, they've used so much tape. Might take a while. Might take a while indeed. Right, let's, oh my goodness. I'm going to try a different tactic. It might take a while this way, but at least I won't stab myself, hopefully. So yeah, I'm hoping that this is a Addi knitting machine. Oh my goodness. I may have to pause this and come back to it. Oh, maybe. Maybe not. How much tape did they use, for goodness sake? Lots is the answer. Right, let's get this. Oh wow. That's it. Oh, I've had Christmas presents wrapped with less tape. And believe me, some people do like to go crazy on the tape. And there's a delivery note. Are we in yet? No, crying out loud. Right, so how do I get in that bit? I'm gonna have to pause it. I will be back very soon. Heaven only knows what this box was made of, but I'm in. I am in the box. Well, it is what I imagined it was. Ooh. And I think, let the box fall. I think it might be the right one. Here we have it. It is indeed an Addi knitting machine. So, made in Germany. Addi Express king size. So hopefully this is actually the right one. Let's have a little looky. See if, hopefully this box is easier to get into. Oh, much easier. Wow. So here we are. Oh, I hope it's not complicated. I do. There's a little box of bits and pieces. Another one. Oh my. Well, I definitely am going to have to see if we can work this out. But here it is. Isn't that a thing to behold? Wow. And there's, I think, the handle. Oh yeah, that's the crank. And there's lots of these bits and bobs. I'm going to, I think, not particularly good at instructions, so I may watch a few YouTube videos. I've been framed. I may watch a few YouTube videos that show me how to set this up. Be a bit looks like I'm looking for a toilet seat, doesn't it? Here's a booklet anyway, and more gubbins. So hopefully it's easy to set up. I'm hoping. I know Crystal from Bag a Day had a video where she showed it, so maybe I will look at hers and a few others and see how to get it set up. But I'm looking forward to having a go with this and getting stuck in. It should be fun, and hopefully I won't get in a mess, you know. Let's fingers crossed. So I'm excited. I don't know when I'm going to get going on it though. But I mean, I kind of want to. I really want to get stuck into it, but at the same time, I want to do it properly, you know. So I might read up on it and watch a few tutorials and stuff before I start. Wow. I can knit myself, you know, I can actually knit. So, but I can remember when I was a little girl, my mum wanted one of those knit machines, you know, those big long ones that you'd be able to make jumpers and things like that. And they were everywhere. And I think my dad actually did buy her one once, and it was beyond her capabilities to actually make anything, so she sold it. She wasn't the patient woman, and so yeah, she got rid of it. But lots of people had them. They were all the rage back then. So I'm looking forward to trying this little baby version, making some bags and hats. And you can actually make panels with this one, so we'll try and work that out and see if we can't do that. You're meant to be able to clamp this to the side, which is probably what those things were, clamps. How exciting! So that's what I bought with some of my Christmas money that I had. Now over here, you know, it was so much cheaper than the States. I can remember when I watched Crystal's video, she said they were $250. Now mine was £124. £124 for the deluxe one, nowhere near as much. And I think you could get the smaller one for about £70. But then I didn't really think, it was probably a false economy getting the really small one. So nowhere near. So it might be worth your while, if you want one, to look for somewhere that you can get that in the UK and ship it. Because it's not electric, is it? So it doesn't matter about anything like that. It's just a device. So if you can find it cheaper over here, it would probably be cheaper for you to buy it here and ship it than it would be if you tried to get it where you live. So wish me luck. I've got a feeling I might need it, but I'm looking forward to playing anyway. I haven't played with my other looms that I got for Christmas, which I guess are just a manual version, aren't they? But I'm going to have a go at them and see if I can't make some fabulous things. You never know. So thanks for watching, and oh, now the fun starts, trying to actually work it out. So bye for now, take care, stay safe, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I've also done videos today for my other channels. I did my rocks chat for here as well, and I did my keto slimming world rocks, and I also did one for Rocksteady, which is a YouTube help video. So if you haven't already, all the details for those are in the description box below. So if you want to give me some love, I would appreciate it, because every time I try to build up my other channels, something happens. Last time it was getting COVID. So yeah, hopefully that won't happen again. Now we've got a vaccine on our horizon. So bye for now, everyone, and next time you see this, hopefully I can be cranking up some hats or something. Bye for now.